Oh my.
Came out in 2000. This was like the season.
Welcome to the crib. You good?
Yeah.
Yo guys, what's good? It's your boy Ari Petri, UK's biggest hypebeast, and we're still out here in LA. I'm with my homie here that I've known on Instagram for like a while, like before I even had any followers, like anything like that. We've been talking for a good while. So when I came to LA, we had to link. So fam, introduce yourself, man.
What's up guys, I'm Rodolfo, and check out my collection.
It's absolutely wild. Let's get into the video, fam.
That boy is Benny Honda.
Okay, so first of all, as we're pretty much like right here, we're gonna start off with the decks. So fam, just tell me a bit about the decks. What's like the first deck that you got, for example?
So the first one I got was actually this white Snow White.
Fam, that one is wild. When I saw that, I was like, that's insane. When did you get that? When was that?
Like release date, I think it was like 2012 or 11, something like that. Yeah.
11?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Kind of got like an Andy Warhol vibe to it.
Yeah, that's what I feel. Would you say that's your favorite one, or do you have another one?
It's definitely like one of my favorites. Another set I like is like the City Scene one. I mean, this one's like really rare.
That's fire. Do you know they released what year that was? Because I've never even seen it.
Yeah, that one's like earlier 2000, I want to say. And then I love my Arabic one. That one's like super rare.
The Arabic one's
yeah.
fire. It's so fire. Honestly, this like deck, if I had a place basically, I would have this in my front room, 100% for sure. Anyways, that was the decks. We're gonna move on to the little living area that my man has. It's absolutely fire. So let's head over to the living room. Okay, so now we're in like your little living sofa area space. We've got the bait pillows on deck. What else have you got here?
I got the Supreme blanket. I love this.
This is hard. It looks so sick on the sofa.
I got the See You in Hell ashtray. Just like, I don't know, I just love all the ashtrays. I like rolling up on this thing. Got all the Zippos. I got a nice little Kate Moss custom print.
That looks perfect. That's literally the perfect spot to have it.
A little Elmo companion, I love this thing.
That's swag. Yeah. And then even look, these are like Supreme magazines.
Oh yeah, there is
Pause magazine. Best part about this whole apartment, fam, is my little geezer here. Look at it. Such a G. So do you actually have like the t-shirt to this?
Yeah, I got a couple colors.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let's check out the t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, all that type of clothing stuff. So yeah, let's go check that out, fam.
Alright, cool. So I'm gonna start out with the tees. This was like one of the first tees I got. The Macaulay. Yeah.
That's fire. Macaulay Culkin there.
Yeah, I love that one. He's such a G. Terry Richardson, fuck 'em tee. I love this one.
Fire.
I got a W taps like near dead stock. I love this print. It's like so fire. Yeah. Look, still got the tag. Like,
oh my god. Yo, what was retail?
Like
30. 40 bucks, yeah. Still got the tag on it.
Got a Gucci.
Oh my god, plate. Pull that out, pull that out. To me, it's like a grail. I only have one. I wish I could have the whole set.
This one's insane. This is probably my favorite tee. It's the Bape Blue camo. The print's like still
it's
super
perfect. Yeah. Oh my god. Not one, nothing. Perfect.
Another Bape camo. I love this one as well.
This is insane.
This one's insane. So many people tell me like, yo, hold on to that. That's like a piece of art. Like,
no, it is.
Japan Relief.
Japan Relief. This is so hard.
Yeah.
I got that too.
Long sleeve UK.
I'll whack this out. So I have the normal version of this, the one that actually released in 2011 with the short sleeve. I have this one. But this one is the friends and family one. So whenever if you ever go to the London store, you might see the store manager. He rocks this a lot.
Oh,
the long sleeve friends and family one. That one's so gas. But my man has to have them both. My.
Came out in 2000. This was like the season
desist one. Yeah. If I just had the full Louis set, the season desist, I'm done. Like I'm good. That's so fire.
Bandana print.
This is straight heat.
Yeah, yeah, I love this.
Straight heat.
Damien Hirst. Dude. Life's a bitch and then you die. Like,
so sick.
I love it.
That's so sick. I love that one.
Version 1 CDG.
Gas as well. Perfect condition too. Literally perfect. I told you, fam. This was no joke.
So the OG legal business. This is the one that pretty much started it all.
Who is this?
So this guy, I guess he got in trouble for something. I forget what it was. I think it was like stock, maybe like inside trading or something like that. And there's a picture of him just like wearing the tee, and then Supreme found out about it and they ended up using it. So kind of a crazy piece.
And a crazy, like, I love like t-shirts and just clothing and sneakers in general that have stories behind them.
Oh yeah.
They're really cool. That's
so this one's a Miles Davis. I love this one.
God. This actually looks more orange. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that looks really orange. It is orange, right?
Yeah. Undercover.
I told you, this doesn't end.
Another undercover. I love the witch tees.
Oh my god, when it was Halloween, like I was trying to find this t-shirt for the longest time. Oh my god, I didn't end up finding it.
This one's going up in value. It's crazy. Yeah,
I know.
They're like reaching like 700 to 1,000.
That's why I didn't get it for Halloween on Instagram, fam, because these prices were crazy.
Got an almost dead stock 20th. Like this one's one of my favorites. 20th, it's just hella clean.
I have the 2003 one. Everyone in my last video was telling me it's fake because the box logo is so much higher. But my one isn't the 20th anniversary one, that's why.
Morrissey.
Fire.
Oh, here's the Kate Moss.
And that's the Kate Moss I was talking about earlier. I need this t-shirt.
I had it.
I need it. I'm gonna ask you a question real quick.
What up?
What do you like better? Supreme celebrity photo tees or box logos?
Oh, that's a hard one, but I'd say probably box logos just because like, I don't know. It's
a box logo.
Another Scarface. I got the newer LV. The quality on this is like really good.
It's insane.
Yeah.
My mum actually took mine out of my wardrobe once, fam, to wear it to a lunch with her friends.
Fire.
It came home and she had like
stain.
Not a stain, like a stitch out.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Brooklyn box logo.
So I love this one. I need another one because I lost my one. I was telling him earlier how I lost my Brooklyn box logo. I do not know how. I don't know where it's gone. I reckon my girlfriend or my mum borrowed it or something and it's just disappeared. Just straight L.
Yeah, this one's special. It's the ash gray. It's pretty rare.
I like that a lot. That's so nice.
Yeah. Version 1 CDG. I like the gray colorway a little bit more. I don't know.
I think I do
too. Yeah.
You see how like perfect this is from like white to gray to colors to black.
Gucci Mane.
I love this color too.
This one's like instant grail for me. You know, goo up.
I remember standing in line for this drop. I picked up the black one and I still have it dead stock at home.
Another OG 2000.
Just wax it out. No problems.
So I got the gray Gucci as well.
That's so gas. This is a grail for me, to be honest. The amount of time I looked for the black one and I kept finding the gray and the gray, and I was like, I need the black one first. And now I've got the black one.
Now you need the gray.
Yeah. I love unique colorways, like when they come out with celebrity tees or whatever it is, photo tees. I just love the like a green like this.
So you need the green in the Gucci Mane. Like, so this piece is kind of unique. This is like when Supreme was like referencing a lot of Polo Ralph Lauren OG pieces, and they just kind of copied.
I've never seen this.
Yeah, this is like a sailboat thing, and if you look into it, like Ralph did a piece that's exactly like this, but this is like a
Supreme
super
do that a lot. Like Supreme, they really reference a lot from high-end designer to some random like brand that they've just seen. Like they rip off a lot, to be honest.
So
this is mad.
Red 20th.
Gas, to be honest.
So this one's crazy because the print's still in really good condition, but the tee like faded itself, and it looks so sick. It's just
I would say my one, I swear, looks exactly the same. Yeah. Like even down to the cracking, it all cracked in exactly the same spots and super washed like this.
Yeah. Yeah, I love how the sun faded it because it looks like a vintage tee and like still in really good condition. So
I love that tee.
I don't even think I've ever worn this since day of release. Yeah, I decided to keep this one on nice. I don't know. OG Playboy Supreme, one of the first ones.
So that was the t-shirt collection. I told you it was wild. I told you it was wild. But then we have so much more. We have hoodies, like some crazy T&Fs, like a bandana here. More stuff. I'm gonna let you show this bit too, because this is not to be slept on either.